Hi, my name is Hannah Blazevic. I'm a personal injury attorney and junior partner at the law offices of Dworkin and Masciarello, the Illinois Hammer. I recently represented a young woman for the personal injuries she sustained as a result of a motor vehicle collision that occurred in December of 2021. She had already had a pretty significant medical history of lumbar disc disease. In fact, in February of 2021, she had underwent her first lumbar fusion surgery, which was about 10 months prior to the collision I represented her for. And at that time, she was in a sedan when she was rear-ended on the highway by a semi-truck and trailer. The biggest issue was what injuries had this young lady had pre-existing and prior to this collision versus what injuries did she sustain as a result of this collision. Following this collision, however, she had a stark and drastic increase in her back pain, and so she actually ended up undergoing 5 subsequent surgeries. Luckily, we were able to successfully argue that this collision acutely caused her lumbar spine condition that occurred afterwards, as well as necessitated the need for these 5 surgeries. After years of successful litigation and fighting on my client's behalf, I am very proud to say that we were able to secure her a very, very significant sum of money. It's very difficult in these situations to put a dollar figure to quantify somebody's pain and suffering, but this amount of money certainly did do her justice. We were able to secure her $2.25 million as a result of the injuries she sustained in this collision, which, for as young as she was very fiscally responsible. She structured her settlement in a way where she is going to have invested and turned that money into a significant sum of money that will sustain her until she's at least 65 years old. I know she put a small amount on a down payment towards a home. Cases just like this one and fighting for clients who have been injured as a result of someone else's negligence is why we do what we do here at the firm. So if you, anyone you know, a loved one, a family member, a friend, have been injured as a result of somebody else's negligence, pick up the phone, call an attorney, make sure it's the Illinois Hammer.